Virtual law offices versus traditional law offices. Which one is better for remote-first legal practice? You won't believe how quickly remote-first legal practices are changing the industry. Most people assume traditional offices are necessary for collaboration and client trust, but the surprising truth is that virtual law offices can be just as effective, sometimes even more so. Virtual law offices operate entirely online, using cloud-based case management, video conferencing, and secure document sharing. This allows lawyers to work from anywhere, reduces overhead costs, and provides clients with flexible communication options. For example, a small litigation firm can serve clients across multiple states without maintaining expensive office space. Virtual offices also attract talent who prefer remote work, expanding the pool of skilled associates and specialists. Traditional law offices rely on physical locations, in-person meetings, and on-site collaboration. While this model offers face-to-face interaction and a structured environment, it comes with high rent, utilities, and commuting overhead. In addition, firms that rely solely on traditional offices may struggle to recruit top talent who value work-life balance and remote options. The key difference is flexibility and efficiency versus conventional presence. Virtual law offices excel in cost savings, geographic reach, and adaptability. Traditional offices provide a familiar client experience and structured team environment. Many modern firms adopt a hybrid approach, combining virtual capabilities with a small physical presence for key client interactions or court appearances. The takeaway is clear: remote-first practice doesn't mean sacrificing quality. The surprising truth is that firms leveraging virtual tools can reduce costs, increase productivity, and expand market reach without losing client trust. In a world where flexibility is increasingly valued, virtual law offices are becoming not just an option, but a competitive necessity.